So, today is August 24th, which at the time of recording this, it's actually the day before today, obviously, since I'm recording this. But August 24th seems to be a pivotal, seems to be somewhat of a signature date as far as Windows releases go. So on this day in 1995, Windows 95 was released to the general public. Then, a year later in 1996, Windows NT 4.0 was released to the public on this day in 1996. And as far as Windows XP goes, it released to manufacturing, with the final RTM build on this day in 2001. So, yeah, it's kind of a pivotal point for those particular three OSs, obviously. And as far as XP goes, the general public didn't get XP until October 25th, 2001. So this date probably wouldn't matter to many, but for those learning about Windows history and XP and whatnot, they may know of this RTM release of RTM date when XP was released to manufacturers to pre-install on computers such as these Compaq systems, even though they weren't officially pre-installed with XP, when XP first released to the general public or something, because these particular computers were already discontinued by that point and already replaced with the 8000 series by the time XP came out. But anyways, without further ado, I will be starting this Compaq up with Windows XP Professional, because why not? Because today is the 23rd anniversary of when XP went to RTM, released to manufacturing on this day. So I will go ahead and launch its RTM build of Windows XP. So there is the all familiar Windows XP boot screen that we all know and love. And let's go into the welcome screen too. As soon as it loads up. There we have it. And I'm going to be doing something that not many XP users know. Hit Control-Delete 2 times to get up the Windows Classic logon box. And I'll go into the admin account for this demonstration. And I'll hit Enter. And there is the Windows XP desktop with the now famous Bliss wallpaper. It's a picture of a photo of the green hills with those blue sky and clouds located in California in the Sonoma County, which is around where I am. Well, not particularly where I am, but I do live somewhere in the Pacific. But yeah. Anyways, yeah, so that seems about it for this. Now I will shut it down here for you. And that'll be kind of like ending this video off here. So yeah, that's it for this video. So yeah, I think hope you guys enjoyed this fairly short video, in commemoration for, mainly for XP's RTM date, but also plenty other the two other Windows OSs that were released on this day, several years ago, that being 95 and NT 4.0, which, if I can do my quick calculations here, so as far as 1995 goes, so 1995 to now, 29 years. So that's already coming to 30 for Windows 95. Oh my gosh. Windows 95 is almost turning 30 years old. My goodness. Time is passing by. And as for NT 4.0, that's 28 years. So, yeah. It's fairly a long time for these OSs. They have been around for quite some time now. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this fairly short video, and I will hope to see you all in the next one. See ya.